Well, little star, you've arrived. My name is Miss Sunny Bloom, and welcome back to Little Star's Garden. Every one of us has special star energies that help us understand how we shine, feel, and grow. Do you ever feel a burst of creativity or love being in the spotlight? Or maybe you have a big heart and want to share your ideas with everyone around you. If so, today's star energy might sound like you. We're exploring Leo, that part of us that's bold, bright, and ready to roar with creativity. Let's get comfy and learn more about Leo energy.
We come to grow, we come to see all the magic in you and me. With hearts so bright, we dream so high, reaching for the stars in the shining sky. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where every heart can shine. Together we learn, together we play, spreading our light every day. Welcome to the Little Stars Garden, where dreams begin to grow. So come along, sing our song, let your little star glow. Little Stars Garden, let's shine.
This is Leo, one of our fire signs. Bright, warm, and often ready for a spotlight. Some Leos love performing, dancing, or telling jokes. Others have a quieter spark, creating bold art or encouraging friends from the sidelines. Either way, Leo means big-hearted creativity.
Did you know Leo is the fifth sign of the zodiac? If your birthday falls between July 23rd and August 22nd, you shine with Leo sun energy. But if your birthday falls at the beginning or end of that range, the sun could have been changing signs. So check a special sky map called a birth chart to see exactly where the sun was when you were born. Leo's symbol is the lion, often roaring with pride. But remember, not every lion roars loudly. Some might share their energy through quiet yet powerful creativity. Leo's lucky color is gold or bright orange, reflecting the blazing sun. It's a fire sign that brings passion, confidence, and sometimes a dash of drama. Leo is famous for its confidence, the part of us that says, "Look what I can do," or "I have a great idea." But did you know Leo confidence can show up in lots of different ways? Some kids with Leo sparks love the stage, singing, dancing, or telling stories. Others channel their creativity quietly, drawing bold pictures or writing imaginative tales. And many Leos have a generous spirit, sharing their toys, cheering up friends, or leading a fun game with a big smile. Leo energy isn't only about being in the spotlight, it's also about shining from the heart, sharing joy, and making others feel special. Confidence can be bold and playful, or calm and steady. Both are powerful ways to shine. Take a moment. When did you last feel a burst of creative excitement? Maybe you wrote a silly poem or invented a new game at recess. That's your Leo spark shining, fearless and fun.
And even if you're not a Leo, we all have times we want to express ourselves boldly or help friends celebrate. Leo reminds us to share our inner sun with the world, big or small. Ready to roar ahead? Little stars, our word of the day is creative. Being creative means making something new, whether it's a drawing, a dance, or an idea that lights up your world. Let's say it together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Creative. Awesome.
I can paint with colors bright, build a world or fly a kite. I can dance or write a song, make up stories all day long. I create my way, I shine my light with colors bold and dreams so bright. What I imagine I can show, my star inside be
Now, let's see how our Leo puppet brings creativity to life.
Hi, Miss Sunny. I'm Ray, the Leo star. Everyone says I'm bold and creative, but sometimes I worry if I'm too loud, or maybe not loud enough.
That's interesting, Ray. Tell me more.
Sometimes I love performing. I feel like I could roar my ideas for the whole world to hear. But other times, I just want to quietly draw or think. But people assume I'm always ready to show off. Am I still a real Leo if I'm quieter sometimes?
Absolutely. Leo energy isn't just about roaring on stage. It's about sharing your light in whatever way feels true to you. Some Leos perform with big drama. Others share their creativity in quieter ways, like painting, writing, or even just smiling brightly.
Whew. I love drawing comics about a silly lion superhero. Maybe that's my way to roar. On paper.
That sounds wonderful, Ray! Your creativity can roar through art, stories, or just by encouraging others with your big heart.
I like that. So, I can shine by drawing comics, and if I want to sing or dance, I can do that too. And that's still my Leo spark?
Exactly! Your Leo spark is about letting your ideas and big heart shine in the way that feels right. Be bold on stage or bold on paper. Both are amazing forms of creativity.
Thanks, Miss Sunny. Hey, little stars, what's one creative thing you love to do? Wow, that's awesome. Keep doing it your way.
See, Leo creativity can come in many forms. The important part is you feel confident sharing what's in your heart. Loud or quiet, it's still bright. Now, let's make a lion mane mask to boost our self-esteem and remind us to share our creativity with confidence, just like Leo. You will need a paper plate or sturdy paper, colored construction paper or crayons and markers, child-safe scissors, and glue or tape. Feel free to pause the video while you gather your supplies or if you need more time to decorate. I'll be right here when you're ready.
Fold your paper plate gently in half and cut 2 small holes for eyes. If you don't want to wear it, you could just make a lion face to hold or display. Cut strips of colored paper or yarn to glue around the plate's edge, like a lion's mane. Orange, yellow, red, anything bright and sunny. If you want to wear your lion mane mask, ask an adult to help attach elastic around your head or tape a craft stick to the bottom at the end. Use crayons or markers to draw a nose, whiskers, or silly lion expressions. Add stickers or glitter if you want a sparkly mane.
Here's my lion mane mask. It reminds me to roar with creativity, to share my ideas, and not be afraid. How should we use it? Next time you're feeling shy about sharing your art or an idea, put on your lion mask or hold it up. Take a big breath and remember, Leo says your heart is big, your ideas are bright. Roar with creativity in your own way. Roar. Let's say our shine line. I shine with fearless creativity. Beautiful. Your lion mane can help you remember that fearless spark. Leo is bold and energetic, sometimes needing to move that big creative energy around. Let's try the Power Roar Run. It helps our bodies feel strong and confident, and it even helps our lungs practice big roars if we want to shout out our creativity. Stand at one end of the space. Sprint forward safely for a few seconds. Stop suddenly, planting your feet. Roar or speak loudly from your belly. Roar! Turn around and come back to start slowly. Let's do this carefully so we don't bump into anything. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Roar! That roar helps release our energy, like a lion claiming its space. You can also say something encouraging, like, I'm creative, if you're not into roaring. Running gets our heart pumping, and roaring from our belly is called diaphragmatic breathing, like singing a loud note. It helps us feel brave and open in our chest, just like a confident lion. Let's do it together 2 more times. Run, stop, and roar or shout your creative phrase. Ready? Go! Run, 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 run. Stop! Roar! Again. Run, 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 run. Stop! Roar! Wow, little stars, that's a ton of Leo energy. Remember, if you don't want to yell, that's okay. Just do a strong breath out. Find what feels right for you. Creativity can be loud or quiet. Both are awesome.
There's a glow I carry near, even when it's hard to hear. It's soft and quiet, strong and true, and it helps me just be me, not you. The light in me will always shine, even when I take my time. It doesn't flicker, doesn't fade. It's who I am, not what I've made. Some days bright and full of cheer, some days cloudy thoughts appear. But deep inside it's clear to see, there's always light inside of me. The light in me will always shine, even when I take my time. It doesn't flicker, doesn't fade. It's who I am, not what I've made.
Today, we discovered Leo energy, how it can be bold or quietly bright and always creative. We visited Ray, the Leo puppet, who reminds us it's okay to shine in different ways. We made our lion mane mask to help us feel fearless in sharing our art or ideas. And we tried the Power Roar Run to feel that fiery energy come alive. Your star challenge this week is use your lion mane mask when you want to remind yourself, I am creative. Try the Power Roar Run if you feel stuck or shy. Sometimes a bold move and a big breath can help you break through. If you'd rather be quiet, find a gentler way to express your heart, maybe writing or drawing. Either way, it's still Leo's creativity shining. Let's say our shine line together one more time. I shine with fearless creativity. Wonderful! And remember, we're here every week with more ways to glow, grow, and shine. Let's do our Starlight, Starbright breath to feel calm and confident. Close your eyes if you like. Picture a glowing star in your heart. Breathe in, breathe out.
As you keep breathing, imagine your shining star growing brighter with every inhale. Feel any worry or tension float away with each exhale, like little clouds drifting off into the sky. Give yourself one more gentle breath in and a long, calming breath out. Notice.
Now, open your eyes and see how calm you feel. You are a bright star just by being you. Thank you for sharing your light with me today. Until next time, keep shining in our Little Stars Garden. Bye-bye.
Want more music, laughs, and fun? Don't miss Garden Grooves. It's a sing-along celebration with bonus songs, games, and our special puppet host. Get ready to groove and glow.
Let's say our shine line. I shine proudly, but share the spotlight too. Wonderful little stars. This week, I challenge you to...
Hi, grown-ups. Leo energy is a warm, expressive spark that shows up in many forms, from bold performances to quiet, heartfelt creations. Here's how to nurture that glow at home. Honor all creative expression. Not every Leo wants the spotlight. Some kids love to act and perform, while others prefer building, drawing, or imagining quietly. Celebrate their creative style, loud or soft, and remind them that expression is about joy, not perfection. Encourage confidence through play. Use activities like the lion mane mask to help them step into brave, imaginative roles. Let them show and tell what they've made or dreamed up. It builds confidence and storytelling skills. Balance boldness with space. Even Leo energy needs downtime. Some kids recharge best alone or in small groups. Respect that rhythm. Quiet creativity is still a roar, just softer. Model creative courage. Try something new yourself and share it. I'm learning a new recipe. Want to help? Showing that grown-ups also experiment helps kids feel safe to take creative risks. Keep encouraging their shine. Ask things like, did you use your Leo spark today? And other affirmations like, I love how you expressed that idea. By embracing their creativity, whether it's bright and showy or gentle and introspective, your child gains the confidence to explore, perform, and connect with others. Thank you for supporting your little star's shining heart.